My name is Daniel. I am a university student majoring in English language. I have always believed that studying languages is a way to connect people from different cultures. English was my passion, and I spent most of my time improving my speaking skills, learning new vocabulary, and dreaming about my future. At university, I had a girlfriend named Emma. We had been together for nearly 3 years. She was the person who stayed with me during difficult times. She encouraged me when I failed exams, listened to my problems, and always believed that I could achieve my goals. I knew I was lucky to have someone like her. But sometimes, people make mistakes when they stop appreciating what they already have. During my second year at university, I met a girl named Lily. She was studying Chinese language in the same university. The first time I saw her was in a language exchange club. She was helping other students practice Chinese, and I was there to practice English with international students. She was confident, friendly, and had a different kind of energy. She loved Chinese culture, movies, and traditional stories. I found it interesting because even though we studied different languages, we had the same passion. At first, we were just friends. We talked about studying, languages, and our dreams after graduation. She asked me about English pronunciation, and I taught her some useful expressions. She helped me learn Chinese phrases, and we laughed a lot during our conversations. Slowly, I started waiting for her messages every day. I started looking forward to seeing her at school. I began telling myself that it was just friendship. But deep inside, I knew my feelings were changing. The more time I spent with Lily, the more I compared my feelings between her and my girlfriend. I felt excited whenever I was with Lily. I felt like I was discovering a new side of myself. But at the same time, I felt guilty because Emma was still waiting for me at home. She trusted me. She never thought that I could betray her. One night, Lily and I stayed late at the university to finish a language project. We talked about our personal lives, our fears, and the things we wanted in the future. That night, we became closer than we should have. I knew there was a line I should not cross, but I ignored it. I made a mistake. I started a relationship with Lily while I was still with Emma. At first, I tried to convince myself that I was just confused. I told myself that maybe I had found someone who understood me better. But the truth was that I was hurting 2 people at the same time. Emma was being lied to. Lily was involved in a situation that was unfair to her too. And I was becoming someone I never wanted to be. Every day, I carried a feeling of guilt. I could not enjoy happy moments because I knew my happiness came from someone else's pain. Eventually, Emma discovered the truth. She was disappointed, not only because I liked someone else, but because I broke her trust. She asked me why I did it after everything we had been through. I didn't have a good answer. I realized that feelings can appear unexpectedly, but cheating is still a choice. After that, I ended my relationship with both of them for a while. I needed time to understand myself and accept my mistakes. Lily was a wonderful person, but our relationship started in a wrong way. Emma was someone who deserved honesty and respect from me. This experience changed the way I see love. Love is not only about finding someone who makes your heart beat faster. Love is also about loyalty, responsibility, and protecting the feelings of the person who trusts you. I still love languages. I still believe that learning a new language can connect people. But I also learned that sometimes the most important language in a relationship is honesty. Because losing someone's trust is much harder than learning any foreign language.